Alrighty, so here's the new bike to me, 19350 SX, and she looks pretty nice, but I got to get rid of this Maryland graphics for sure. So I got some in the way, and yeah, I like it, man. I like the colors. I like everything so far. It's pretty well taken care of, and it's only got about 40 hours. Let's see if it starts in gear. Nice. That's good for a hair scrambler. Well, I like the minimum inch brake. It does feel like my knees are way up, man. It feels like like the foot pegs should be lower, man. The power, man, it's pretty linear. I like the way that you can ramp so high on it, so you can stay on the lower gear longer, which is what I was looking for, really. I hate all the short shifting on the 450. It's got that motocross suspension, valving. It's pretty good for trails for me. So I may want to wait to do the spring upgrade. This second gear is very nice for trails, man. 1450. Aeration, perfect with these kind of trails. This thing is like a Sandmaster.